All right. So this is going to be our lecture number 22, and in this lecture I would be discussing pattern 8 because I have already covered till pattern 7. If you have not completed them, then I would request you please go and complete them, because this is going to be very messy if you have not completed the last 7 pattern. So coming to the today's pattern directly. All right. So this is the pattern 8 which we have to draw to the user screen, and you know already the drill, which is this is the 5 size pattern because we have 5 rows and 5 columns. So to draw it or to visualize this a little bit clearly, I am drawing the spaces also. So these are the spaces which were not visible to you initially. Fine. And again, I will still say we don't have to worry about the this space. Actually, it's a 5 size square, but we don't have to worry about this space. Why? Because as I have already explained in my previous video, we will print this, and initially after immediately after this we will break the line. We will print this, immediately after this we will break the line. So that's how we used to do, or we used to print the pattern. So again, what we have to do, we have to analyze the number of spaces and the number of star, which is our most important drill. Again, so coming to this, why, what we have to do. So this is first row, this is second, this is third, fourth and fifth. So in the first row, how many number of spaces we have and how many number of stars we have? In the first row we have 4 space, 1 star. In the second row we have 3 space, 1 star. In the the third row we have 2 space, 1 star. In the fourth row we have 1 space, 1 star. In the fifth row we don't have any space, we have 0 space and we have 1 star. So similar to the previous one, we have number of stars are constant for each row, and we have number of spaces are increasing by, number of spaces are decreasing by 1 for each row. So it's a very simple, or if you have completed the previous one, then it's a kind of a cup of coffee for you. I don't think that you should face any problem, but still I would like to explain it. So what we have to do, so we have already determined that we in each row how many number of star and how many number of spaces we will have. So coming to the editor directly, we have taken input from the user, and I will iterate my loop till n from 1, because how many number of we have to print? Do you know how many number of rows we have to print?
नहीं.
Okay, jokes apart, we have to print n number of rows. Fine. So in each row, what we have to do, we have to print some sort of star and some sort of spaces, some sort of star and some sort of spaces. So in the first row, how many number of spaces are there? We have 4 spaces and we have 4 spaces, sorry, we have
बाप को भेज, तेरे बस की बात नहीं.
what is going on, I'm not, we have 4 spaces and 1 star. So we will use this logic only. In the initial, we will declare 2 variables. We have how many number of spaces? 4, which is n minus 1. And how many number of spaces we have? We are how many number of star we have? We are having only 1 star. So we will not declare any variable for it. We will simply print 1 each time. Fine. So initially what we have to do, we have to print spaces, and after that we have to print a star. Why? Because if you look at here, we are having spaces first and then star. We are having spaces first and then star. We are having spaces, star, spaces, star, space. We don't have any space here, so it is not visible, but spaces are first and star is after that. Great. So if you already watching my videos, then you know already that I used to make many mistakes while typing, because my typing is not that much of a level. So that is the another thing. And in this row, sorry, what we have to do, so you can see the demo here. I used to do more mistake while typing. So in each row or in this loop we have to just print spaces, and I used to print /t instead of space. Why? Because our output is clearly visible due to this. And I will use copy this because I am the expert of making mistake. And here we have to just print a star. Immediately after printing spaces, we just have to print one star. If you look at here, we have printed 4 space, and immediately after this we have printed 1 star. We have printed 3 space. Immediately after this we have printed 1 star. So that's it we have to do. And a part of this we just have to break a line. And also we are missing one thing. Can you guess what is the thing which we are missing? You can pause this and you can think what is the missing here. Okay, so let me tell you. We are missing decreasing our spaces by 1, because we need to decrease our number of spaces also. If we will not decrease this, because initially it is 4, so it has printed 4 space. If we will not decrease this, then it will print 4 space again. So we need to decrease this also. Fine. So I think that's it we have to do. If there is no, if no mistake is there, then let's give it a run. If there will be any mistake, then we will fix this out. So I'm taking 5 as the input, and it's gone in the infinite loop again. So that means we have done some mistake. Let's analyze this. What mistake we have done? Space and -1. Our space variable is declared. Fine. Okay, so what we have done is, I don't think there should be any mistake, but still spaces initially it is 4, and okay, so we have written j instead of I. Sorry, we have written I instead of j. So that was a slight mistake, but it will make you in the infinite loop. So I'm again entering 5. So as you can see, it has printed the exact same output. So this is the output which it has printed. Let's compare it out. So this is the output we have, and this was our question. So you can see it's a very similar, or I would say it is almost similar. So we have already covered this one. Let's rough this. So this was the code for printing this star. I hope you understand this. If you have not got this logic, then I would request you please repeat the video, or if you do have any question, then comment down below. I will reply there. And if you like this video, then hit the like button, and if you are new to the channel, then I would request you please subscribe to the channel, because in the upcoming days I would be uploading more videos to this channel. Thank you.